Hi guys, hi girls, what's up? I'm here at the South Surf Laundromat, Bridgeville location here at Bridgeville PF at South Surf. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing and drying my clothes, not washing anyway. Some of my clothes are still damp, so here we go. I'm gonna be loading the darks in this one today, and so like this. Some of my clothes are not damp because my dryer at home is still broke. So I'm gonna be drying my clothes. I'm using the Speed Queen dryer, so it's hard to find Speed Queen. Anyway. Nice drum. I'm gonna use this one. Oh crap, I wish that one was working. I want to use it. That's right.
Just two.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Come on, hold on, don't start me, huh? There it is. Okay, looks good. I'm going to select high temperature. 3/4. Get to start with. Alright.
3.
I did, just put 2 in.
Okay.
Hold on. Okay, looks good.
Alright, I'm gonna be out in the car.
Alright. And I'll show you guys this tour. Alright, good. Speed Queen, 650 PVs. Usually you just have a solo hot wash. This one, only warm cycle works. This one, giant, still out of water. This one, right here, the speed West Comet, W73, still out of water. 2 minor washers. Oh, looks like this one's working, I think. No, these 2 are not working, so never mind. There's these drawers here. Wish this one was working. I wanted to use this one. The ceiling fan right now. I'm gonna take some pictures anytime. And hopefully the owner I was talking to, my good friend, we'll get rid of these and replace the fence. That's all it is. This one's only for like big comforters, heavy loads. Here's this one right here, the washers. That's going still broke. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. See the cycle start. This one right here works. Let's go in WG74 double loader, turbo loader. So here's this one still broke though. Here's this one right here works. This one's broken, my favorite one. Got these right here, just one I'm never gonna use again. So bro, these are gonna get replaced. These are slow conditioning. So forth. Anyway, here's HB washers right here. Here's Speed Queen. Not Speed Queen. I mean, one's common WG73. This one's still broke. This one's still broke. Here's this one right here that does a good job. This one right here does a good job. And here's my favorite one right here. And then check and see if there's anything good in the trash, which there is, so which I'll grab off video. Here's these jars. And then this one right here is still broke, yep. And anyway, here's the HB jars of washers, more HB. There's the collar machine, crane. The one thing is, I don't think the last time I was here, I was trying to use it, it wasn't working. So there's the skeleton Halloween prize. That would be so cool to get. That beanie bear is still in your B, which I donated. No longer use that. They used to, but I want one on video, film it, and then BJ from Barney, soccer ball, and the other soccer ball. The green plastic thing is heavy. Panther. Here's the zebra right here, which I want, but it's buried. And so it is. I do have $1, but I don't know if this call machine's working or not. Anyway, BJ from Barney friends. So I'll see if I can get $1. But the only thing is, right now I'm on a budget, and there's soap bar. That's all it is, and there's not much on the other side. The dryers, but someone's there. I want to get them on camera without their permission. Anyway, here's these Speed Queens right here. And that's Speed Queens. This one I used on video one time before I got a bar. This one was ripped off. And here's these strands. Alright. Anyway, so yeah, these are not gonna get replaced though, but these two are gonna hopefully get fixed. And hopefully that one and that one right there and the third one right there was coming WG74 washers get fixed. Nothing good in that trash can. What is this? No, it's not. Show you. That's all I'm gonna say. Anyway, hopefully this one right here gets fixed. This one right here gets fixed. This one gets fixed. And so oh wow, this one's broken. Overflow. Never noticed it was broken. A good time about using those top loaders. They don't do a good job. Got 13 minutes on this one and got 12 minutes on that one. Anyway, so yeah, nice to see this laundromat. It's gonna get good fixed, and they're gonna clean this floor up too as well. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is all for right now. Have a good one, and that'll be it.